Passerby pretend to be relative then rob crash victims of valuables. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Mary police have been left in shock and disbelief after a man who pretended to be a relative of a crash victim stole his valuables, including his cell phone, which he used to call relatives of the victim the same day. The shocking incident occurred on the Boscobel Main Road on Tuesday after 51-year-old Nick Bernard lost control of his Toyota Voxy motor car, which ended up hitting an embankment. To the dismay of the police, a passerby came by on the scene and pretended to be Bernard's relative and left with some of the victim's belongings. It just goes to show the level that our society is at, said the St. Mary Police Superintendent Bobette Morgan Simpson as he addressed Thursday's meeting of the St. Mary Municipal Corporation. She highlighted the shocking incident in her remarks at the meeting, during which she also expressed alarm at the number of crashes that have been reported in the parish since the start of the year. In relation to Tuesday's fatal crash, Ms. Morgan Simpson said that the victim had just left a party which he staged when the incident occurred on the main road. In this particular accident, the gentleman, Mr. Bernard, had a party the same night and he was on his way home when he met in an accident. He was in a state of unconsciousness when someone actually went there, identified himself as a relative, took the money he had on him and also his cell phone and made a call to someone to say that he was injured, and that's it, the senior law enforcement officer outlined. She lamented that the passerby didn't care about the man who was there, that probably he was still alive and might need help to get medical care. That was seamlessly not important, and we have seen so many incidents where persons are just really just for what they can get when accidents occurred, Simpson said in her release. The police are trying to locate the individual. Meanwhile, Morgan Simpson said up to Wednesday. Meanwhile, the superintendent, Miss Morgan Simpson, said that up to Wednesday, some 119 road crashes were recorded in St. Mary. Of the number, 8 resulted in fatalities. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.